Dometic Side Wing, perfect for your club awnings, whether it be Pro, all season, or whether it be the Ace model as well, whether it be Pro or Ace again. The side wings are really easy to use. The zip on, you buy a left or a right hand side, it zips from the floor all the way back to the top rail next to your caravan or motorhome. 2 aluminium poles, and the aluminium poles are really easy. They're easy just to adjust, to twist and extend. 2 guy lines straight down to the floor. This is the all-season one that we've got here. It's got a nice big window, but gives you plenty of shelter, whether you want to barbecue or let the children, the dogs, play outside. Don't forget, if you like our videos of awnings and accessories, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.